Hey everyone, today I'll compare Hostinger Horizons and Builder. Hostinger Horizons and Builder are both no-code platforms. They help you build apps without writing code, but they are made for different kinds of users. Hostinger Horizons is new and uses AI to help you build apps. Builder has around longer and gives you more control over design. Let's start with Hostinger Horizons. It launched in 2025. It focuses on making app creation super easy. You just talk to it using simple text. The AI understands what kind of app you want. Then it shows you a preview. You don't need to track anything or design anything by hand. You can also use voice commands. If you don't like typing, just speak your idea. It even supports image input. That means you can show it a drawing or sketch and it will try to turn that into a real app. That's pretty advanced. It supports over 80 languages, so people all around the world can use it. Once your app is ready, you can launch it with one click. You don't need to worry about hosting or domains. Hostinger takes care of that. It's great for beginners. You don't need any coding skills. If you're a small business owner or a solo creator, this tool is very helpful. It saves time and money. It also keeps things simple. Now, let's look at Builder. Builder is made for people who want more control. It gives you a drag and drop editor. You can move things around however you like. You can change layouts, add buttons, or connect things. You're in a full control of the design. Builder also lets you add custom code. That means if you know a little programming, you can do even more. You can create special features that other platforms don't offer. This is perfect for businesses that want a custom app. Builder also supports a lot of third-party tools. You can connect it to services like Stripe, Airtable, or Zapier. You can build workflows, you can manage users, and your app can grow with your business. But Builder takes more time to learn. If you're brand new, it might feel confusing. You'll need to spend some time figuring things out. Hostinger Horizons is better if you just want to launch something fast. In short, if you want something simple and fast, use Hostinger Horizons. It's great for MVPs and early stage apps. If you want something advanced and flexible, Builder is better. It's made for serious projects that need special features. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.